Some coincidences made me come to Shenzhen in 1998 and work as a teacher in an international school. To my surprise, I also discovered my new vocation in Shenzhen. I was very keen on social activity. Found out joined SWIC, Women International Club. In my opinion, the mission of SWIC is to give people far away from home. There are many activities that member can join. Now we have activities like hiking, cycling, cooking class, book club. We have also good cooperation or MSCE. So our members can learn many interesting things about Chinese culture, calligraphy, etc. We also invite Chinese people to participate in our activities that we organize as guests. Volunteer is one of my favorite identities. I also know that Shenzhen is a volunteer city. There are on the average one volunteer for every 5 citizens here. I love city. It's really very nice, and I'm really proud also to be a volunteer working as when you wear the red vest.